welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin because we're making some very interesting moves and it's catching a lot of people off guard. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at 67,000, down about 1.8% on the day. Bitcoin dominance rallying almost a half a percentile in the past day, trading at 52.41%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's basically like 54.5%. Very interesting to see that. We have been seeing some pretty volatile moves with Bitcoin in the past weekend, and we're really playing with some fire here, guys. I'm not going to lie. Testing this yellow trend line right here, we are just barely floating on it. We need to see a bounce off of this. We need to see a bounce off this, and probably the next 6 hours, I would say. I mean, the next 6 hours could be very minimal movement, but if we don't see a positive close on the day above 67,000, and tomorrow is also not a positive close above 67,000, there is a likelihood chance that we come and spill over just a little bit more, maybe test that $60,000 price level. And I'll be honest with you guys, that is okay. We would need to see, well, right now the 4-year cycle is quote unquote broken because we broke all-time highs before the halving, which is only about 4 to 5 weeks away at this point. But if we do see a little bit of a spillover here and we get our pre-halving correction, I'll say that the 4-year cycle is back intact, which means that, yes, guys, if the 4-year cycle is back intact, then we have much more time to go to the upside. A much longer bull market, higher price targets for Bitcoin, aka more money in your pockets. We want to see that. Don't be shaken out by a little bit of a sell-off. Now, that being said, we are really only down, I think, about 12%. Yeah, about 10% at this point. And I will say that if we have a pre-halving correction, we probably need to be looking more so from the top of about 74,000. We probably need to be looking at more of a 20% correction and on a conservative level, which would bring us to about $59,000, which is where we wicked out back here when we had that little flush out. And I think that's very appropriate. That is an appropriate drawdown to see for a pre-halving correction. I think it would shake a lot of people out, and it would set us up for a nice move to the upside. Now, I will say, as long as we don't break below on the daily, below the 67,000, we probably bounce off this. We probably lean back into this uptrend. But this is the longest downward, I don't want to use the word trend, cool-off period we've had in the past few months. This is about 3 to 4 consecutive days of red. I know it's absolutely insane that I'm saying that. It's, oh man, it's the longest thing we've had, and it's only been 4 days, but it is. It's the longest one we've had for a while. For a couple weeks, we've been basically going straight up. It's pretty incredible. But be patient, guys. Be patient. We're kind of here on an edge where either we spill over here, get a little bit of a correction, probably to about 60,000 in my opinion. 59,000 would be great. I know you guys don't want to hear me say that, but it would be great to pump our bags even further after the halving. But I could see us bouncing off this as well. The invalidation of us spilling over here, or I should say going to the upside, is if we do see these daily candle closes closing below 67,000, which we are trading at 67,240 right now. It's cutting a little bit close, but we're still above it. It's good. It's healthy. I do want to take a quick look at Crofam because Crofam is spilling over a little bit as well. To be expected, in my opinion, finding a little bit of a foundation, consolidating a little bit here around the 13-cent price level. Guys, got to be patient with Crow. Probably going to see a lot of big swings to the upside with some quick wicks back to the downside. That's how Crowcoin really trades until we get in mass mania, until the bull market is really ripping and roaring. And I'll tell you what, guys, since this little move to the downside, nobody really is talking about lots of mania. I mean, yes, there's a ton of mania going on with the meme coins, which is, in my opinion, a little bit topish. It should be on the bingo card for the Bitcoin top, but it doesn't mean that where the top is in. And when I'm talking about top, I'm saying local top. And I do think that if we spill over here, it would be a very appropriate thing to call this is a local top, about 74,000. But I do think that we'll easily break above it after the halving. But that being said, I don't think that we're going to see mass mania come into, or I should say, I don't think that we're going to see Crofam make large moves to the upside until we see that true mass mania come, because this is the first thing that the people that aren't crypto natives are going to look up. They're going to go out Google crypto, and the first thing that's going to come up is crypto.com. They're going to see Crofam and the Crofam debit cards, and then we'll probably see Crofam make some big moves to the upside, probably testing that 20 cent, and the real true value that I'm looking at is around the 50 cent price level. Back up here. I'm excited to make those moves back up there with you guys. It's going to be very, very glorious. But if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Like I said, we're getting super close to 16,000 subscribers. Also, go follow me on Instagram at 333Blacksea. When I reach 100 followers, I'm going to give away $100 worth of crypto to one of you guys. I said Crofam, but really it could be whatever, any crypto. So go follow me there, and I'm going to give that away once I reach 100. That's all I got for you guys. Check out some awesome referral links we have down below. $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex. All you got to do is go below this video, click the link to Femex. It's in the description box. You get a $4,100 sign-up bonus. Free money. But that's all I got for you. See you in the next one. Bye.